Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 13 Laravel 12 auth check or auth user, login users and logout user. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a call and WhatsApp +919941599815. This is a paid service. Any issue your website, to please contact anytime this number 24/7 anytime this number is available. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this 12 and underscore, this is a Laravel database name. Inside this list of table is available. Click this user table. By default table is a click this. Successfully 3 role is available. 0 means user, 1 means admin, 2 means super admin. And this my project is available jam directory, htdoc direct, and this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor and this local host Laravel _11 in this run. Let's step by step implementation inside this auth sec. Let's click this login. Inside this is the admin login. Password is 123456. And this click this login. 100% is a login. Good login, but inside this is a URL remove but inside this is this page is not a use. Automatically is a dashboard page button is a show. Let's again, this is a admin dashboard, 100% is a working fine, but this is not a good way. Let's implementation, this is a good way. This file is open, this file is a show. Let's open resource view admin inside this dashboard file. Let's inside this is step by step implementation. This first of all, this is a home page link is a implementation. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a close this. Inside this is a name is a home page. Home page is a set. This is a remove. A tag is a create sref, and this is a URL. Home page is a blank URL. This is a route. Inside this web.php, this is a blank. Home page is a index is a blank page is a URL is available. Let's welcome page, and this is a home. Save file and refresh this page. 100% is available. Good working. Let's same here home page click this, and this is a login screen. Let's again this login button. This is automatically, this is not a good way. And this is less admin password is otherwise this is admin is the admin dashboard is one that fine the working. Let's log out after this admin dashboard is not a working. Admin dashboard, and this is not a working. Let's same here super admin. Let's user, and this password is 123456, and click this login and not now. And inside this button is the same here implementation user. Let's same copy and this user dashboard inside this paste here. Successfully paste, and this is a close this, and this is a remove this page. 100% is a show. Let's next is only super admin is a set. Let's login and super admin password is 123456, and this login 100% is a login super admin. Inside the same here button is a copy and super admin inside this paste here. Save file. This is a refresh this page. 100% is a working, but this is a remove. This URL is a remove. This is otherwise this click this, and successfully this available. Let's super admin, and this is a dashboard is available. Inside this is a login, so login is a working. This is a not a good way. This is a professional way is a implementation. Welcome to page. Inside this is a super admin is a login step by step. This is a implementation. This video is a implementation. This is a let's step by step. This is a login. This file is a login. This is a dashboard file is a open, and this is a implementation auth sec. Auth dashboard is a sec. check index file. Let's index file is a check. This file is available index file. This index file is a set. This is a file. Okay, this file index file. This is a welcome page. Let's 999 save file and refresh this page. 100% is a 999 is a available. This is a remove and step by step inside this implementation. This is a good. Let's inside this step by step implementation. First of all, this is a if auth check and this is a auth is a else, and inside this is a e and if save file, and 100% is a remove. This is auth check is a successfully. This is a already login, and this is a blank page. Otherwise, this is a super admin, this dashboard, and this is a logout. So this is a not a show. This is a show good working, but inside this is a login. Let's admin password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 and successfully click this. This is a login and directly home page on successfully not a show. This is a condition is a working fine. Auth check is a working fine. Let's next is a user. This is a working is a done, but this is a or is a available. So let's step by step inside. This is a check. If auth user is role is available. Is role means 2 is equal to 2 means super admin. Is role is available. Is role database table name is available user table, and this is a by default model is available user model. This is a model. Inside this model is available user model by default. This successfully paste here is equal to 2. 2 means available. This is a 2 means super admin. This super admin 2. 1 means admin. 0 means user. This is a working fine. Let's check this zoom. This successfully available. And let's successfully implementation is equal to this is a 2. And else if same here copy paste here inside. This is the implementation 1. Last is the same name copy and paste here. Successfully paste 0 and and if save file. Let's step by step implementation. This is a admin dashboard. This is a admin dashboard is a successfully set. The super admin already login. This is a super dashboard, super admin dashboard. This is a route is a set. This route successfully set. This is a index. Same here inside. This is a name is a admin. This is a admin dashboard is a set. This is a admin dashboard. This is a admin dashboard. Next is a last. This is a user dashboard. Successfully all set. This is a working fine. Please write down. This is a all good, and this is a all write down on this file is a implementation. Let's refresh this page. 100%. This is a admin already login. This click this successfully. This is a login. Good working this home page, and this is working fine. But inside this is a logout. So 100% in this is a login screen is available, and this is a automatically not a show. Let's again login. This is a super admin, and this password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6, and click this, and this is a not a working. This click this 100% is super admin show. This is a dashboard is a click this 100% is a dashboard. Good working. This is a less login screen is a implementation login, the but not a show. This is a login. Good working. This is automatically is a logout super admin. This is a logout automatically log out. successfully working fine. Let's click this working fine, all good. Let's next is a user password is a 123456 and click this login, good, working. This is a fine, and this click this home page, 100% is a dashboard, and this is a successfully fine, all good. And this is a dashboard, otherwise inside this is a admin dashboard, implement admin dashboard. This is a logout, automatically log out. And this welcome page and 100% super admin miss user, and this is a password 123456 and click this login, and 100% is a working fine. This is a good working, and this is a fine. This is a dashboard is a working good. This is a video is a done. And this is any doubt, the please contact this. We are here to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available. And this is a new project development, so please contact. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.